Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram. So first, when you open your Instagram app and head over to this post right here, if you want to hide your post, all you're going to do is tap these three dots at the top right of this post. And then you will see right here, hide like count. So if you tap that one, it says like count hidden. Now, if you want to hide post when you are creating your Instagram post, so all you're going to do is tap this plus icon at the bottom. So tap this plus icon and then you will see right here, if you want to create a post with this one, all you're going to do is tap that and edit this post and then tap on next. And then here on the settings, if you scroll down, you can see advanced settings at the bottom. So tap this one and you will find this hide like count on this post. So all you're going to do is toggle it on. So only you will see the number of like in this post. You can change this later by going in the three dots menu at the top of the post, and you can hide the number of likes on post from other accounts by going to your account settings. So all you need to do is toggle that on and your post will be hidden. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.